Lie. Time in the same place, falling inside the bedroom, falling inside a moment, lost on my own, fighting for myself, no one there to fight for me. They can see me, but they will never feel my pain. Their eyes can see I'm smiling just for a moment. And their eyes can see that I am looking so lonely. But lost and lost in my time. I will try not to be used to entertain. There's many ways they can use people to entertain. It is not by singing or dancing for anyone. People fall yesterday in love. They live in this life. They've seen everything. They know this life so well. They can use you to be pissed off. Say things they will not like. And now they're talking about you, but it is just distraction. Oh, it is just distraction. It is just distraction. I cannot be used. I cannot be used like many times before. In this life, there's many ways for someone to entertain someone. Falling inside the bedroom, falling inside a moment. At least I know that yesterday I was used on the internet, saying negative things, people judging me, but they don't know I fall in the moment, and they use me to entertain the youth, but not perfect. But they put me down so you can feel good about yourself. That is why